My name is Barry Carlin, and our company is Best Performance Systems. And we've got a tip for you today that's going to make work far easier for you, and if you're a boss or a supervisor, you're going to be able to influence all of your workers to get more work done, to feel better, and to have less injuries. Now here we go. We primarily train hospitality, and in hospitality there's a multitude of jobs that involve pushing and pulling. Now, what's the job that involves pushing and pulling? Pushing and pulling a cart, an engineer who's pushing on a tool, or who's pulling some kind of a part when they're doing repairs. Somebody in culinary who's pushing and pulling when they're stirring a big pot. A housekeeper who's pushing and pulling with their rag as they're cleaning something. Now, with all those tasks that I just performed, all those different departments, I had my feet next to each other. So what was doing the work of pushing? What was doing the work of pulling? My back and my shoulders. This is a contributing factor to the reason that 80% of all hospitality workers, actually almost all workers, have chronic back pain, and 60 to 70% have some kind of chronic shoulder discomfort. Here's a simple solution. If your feet are next to each other and you're pushing and pulling anything, the work's being done primarily by your shoulders and your back. All you need to do is split your feet. Put 1 foot forward and 1 foot back. Now when you push, is the shifting legs providing the power to your arms. When you pull, is the shifting legs providing the power. You're going to have 5 to 10 times more power and endurance in your arms, which means you're more productive. Work is easier for you, and there's 85% less work in your low back and in your shoulders. So again, whether I'm stirring a soup, whether I'm slicing meat, whether I'm cleaning a surface as a housekeeper, whether I'm stirring a pot, or I'm applying pressure with a tool, it doesn't matter. Every time you're applying pressure, pushing or pulling, split your feet in the direction the hands are moving. Now let's say I've been working like this, and now I've got to work that way. Not a problem. Split your feet in that direction. So you now have all of that power to get the job done, and so much less stress, so there's less chance of ever getting injured. Got to push and pull that way? No problem. Put my feet split like that, and then you're pushing and pulling. There you go. That one little tidbit of splitting your feet in the same direction that your arms are applying pressure and pushing or pulling is going to make work easier for you. You're going to be far more productive. You're going to have less stress and less chance of having discomfort or eventually be getting an injury of some kind. If you like that tip, that's typical of the things that Best Performance provides to the clients that we work with. At the end of this video, there's going to be a link. Hit that link and it will take you to a free course that will teach you a multitude of our best stuff. If all you do is look at that free course, you're going to see injuries go down and productivity go up. You can also sign up for our newsletter. Keep your eyes out. We're going to be here on a regular basis sharing tips like this. Thank you very much.
When you are working today, as you approach every single task, think about how can I do this task so it'll be the easiest for me, I'll be the most productive, and I'll feel the best.